everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to change your number in WhatsApp without notifying others. Let's get started. First, go to settings and select account and then change number. Then enter your current phone number in the first text box and your new phone number in the second. You can also change the country by selecting it from the list provided. And after entering the new number, click on next. You will now see an option to notify your contacts of the number change. You have the choice to notify all contacts, only those you chat with, or customize a list of contacts to notify. Alternatively, you can choose not to notify any contacts at all. Once you have made your choice, proceed to the next steps. You will receive an SMS with the verification code to confirm your new number. Enter the code with them prompted and your number will be successfully changed. If you want to save your correspondence history before changing your number, go to the chat settings, select Chat Backup and select Backup Now. Be sure to create a backup before proceeding to change your number. After following these steps, your number will be changed without notifying other users. Thank you for your attention. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel if it was helpful to you. And see you in the next video.